Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English literature in college. Start by reading actively and annotating every text, focusing on themes, language, and context. Build a weekly schedule that balances close reading, research, and rest. Use note cards or a digital app to track quotations, page numbers, and interpretations. Join study groups or office hours to test ideas and get feedback. Then revise notes into clear essay outlines for efficient writing. Develop a habit of close reading each paragraph and noting diction, syntax, and imagery that shapes meaning. Summarize scenes in one sentence to capture plot and purpose, then expand with evidence and brief analysis. Track patterns across chapters to build themes and support arguments with precise quotations. Regularly reread confusing passages and compare translations or editions when necessary to clarify language and intent for stronger essays and discussions. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your study commute fresh and focused. A pleasant-smelling car can improve your mood before class. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more practical studying tips and quick reminders. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When writing, start with a concise thesis that answers a focused question about the text, and then map the argument into clear paragraphs. Integrate quotations sparingly, explaining their relevance and how they support your claim. Use academic articles to contextualize ideas and to contrast perspectives, always returning to the primary text as evidence. Edit for clarity, voice, and cohesion, and allow time between drafts to catch weak reasoning and improve examples.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.